Let me introduce Zapable, how to build an instant mobile app in less than 60 seconds. With over 300 customer reviews and people selling apps like crazy, it's easy to see why this is one of the fastest growing opportunities in 2021. So let's take you into the world of Zapable and show you how easy it really is in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You simply log in, scroll down and pick your favorite template and select your preferred layout, and boom, you're ready to build. Step 2. Now it's time to add your features. With over 30 amazing options available, you simply point and click your way to an amazing app. Let's say you want to build an app for a huge booming market right now, online coaching. Just select the coaching template, click the link, you can add your appointment calendar to book calls, link to your Zoom calls, have an About Us section, integrate all your social profiles, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, share free lead generation courses, and you can make special announcements by sending push notifications directly to their mobile, where the open and click rates are 90% more effective than email. But it gets better. With our new instant mobile app technology, there's no need for the app stores. You can set up a simple QR code like shown, and boom, your app instantly loads on a user's phone by harnessing the Zapable power of progressive web app technology. And yes, we still offer Apple and Android submission if you desire. Which leads us to our next amazing feature, Zap Digital. With Zap Digital, we integrate into all your favorite shopping carts like JVZoo, ClickBank, ThriveCart, PayKickstart, and so many more, so you can sell your own instant digital products. This means you can sell all your digital contents, videos, PDFs, and training in-app behind a protected members area. And with mobile app content usage growing and desktop declining, this is a very important feature. And on that note, what's better than selling one-off digital products? Membership sites. Zap Digital also allows integration with major membership providers such as Wishlist, MemberMouse, Kajabi, and many more. Sell your paid content behind closed doors with your own instant mobile app, and you don't have to pay Apple 30% of your revenues. This truly is the next evolution of selling membership. Zapable is truly flexible to build apps for nearly any type of business. Online coaches, realtors, restaurants, fitness, personal trainers, and many more. One Zapable user built a mobile app for his online fitness business, Zeus Fitness, which has over 169,000 YouTube subscribers. The app has thousands of visitors every single week, and they've sold over 10,000 products in their opening week by using the app. In fact, listen to this real-life Zapable customer.
I just want to say a massive thank you to Zapable. Through Zapable, I've got an incredible new mobile app for my business. It's enabled me to reach an even bigger audience and give users easy access to all my online content. Subscribers and customers can now access my workouts with ease. They can check out all my merchandise and all of my paid programs and courses. I've been able to add recipes, meal ideas, and much more, all under one amazing app. This has really helped me boost my online business and revenue.
In our next example, a small hotel owner needed an app built to allow people to book tables at his restaurant. With Zapable, he was able to build an app that allowed people to select their preferred date and time, simply enter their mobile number, and Zapable would send a confirmation text message of their booking. Over 90% of Paul's booking came from the app, and he even sent us a video testimonial.
Hi guys, quick video testimonial for Andrew and Chris Fox on the new Zapable. I own a hotel here in England, and as you can see we are absolutely packed outside due to the COVID regulations. I'm just going to quickly grab one of our customers because 90% of these people have actually used the new app to book their table. So Stephen, You use the app to book the table tonight?
Yeah, booked the table through the app tonight. Super easy to use, brilliant. Sent me a text message to let me know we're all okay. Keep using it.
Fantastic. Well done, guys. Really appreciate it.
It's easy to see why we have over 300 customer success stories who use Zapable to sell mobile apps like crazy. Regular people. Look, very little tech experience. First timers, yet so many having huge success. Let's show a quick example of a restaurant app built by Zapable. You can add in-app menus. Means it minimizes touching physical items to maintain health and hygiene. Takeaway food ordering. We link into all major providers like Grubhub, Deliveroo, Just Eat and many more. Track and trace. Record your customers' details when they come in, which is mandatory law in some countries. Digital loyalty card. Allow customers to scan QR codes to access special promotions, discounts and encourage repeat business. Not only do we give you the amazing app builder, we also give you the ultimate done-for-you package to allow you to have your own instant mobile app business. Introducing the Zapable Agency Done-for-You package, the ultimate collection of tools that make selling apps super fun and easy. First, we will give you 5 amazing hot high converting landing pages to attract clients. We supply these in ClickFunnels, Divi, Elementor and WordPress format. Next, we give you 5 done-for-you videos in multiple niches to use as lead magnets. You can even brand these as your own. Place them on the landing pages we supply. Not sure what features to suggest to a client or what pricing to charge? We've got you covered. We give you sample pricing charts for what to charge clients for apps and what are fully customizable. Next, maybe you're unsure how to connect with business owners. Simply use our proven email connect scripts to cut and paste to prospect clients. Use our top 17 tips to get your clients' apps downloaded to make them think you're a marketing Jedi. We've literally thought of everything to make it super simple and easy for you. And with over 30 amazing features, Zapable can do anything point and click simple.
So welcome to this demo of Zapable. Let's just dive straight into it. So first step, I'm going to log into the members area. And inside the members area, this is where you're going to be able to access all the information such as all the training and how to build your very first app, exact steps from A to Z that you can follow along. You're going to have all the different ideas you can use for the features, past training webinars that we've had, and all the bonuses and updates that we're adding to Zapable. But let's just jump straight to the builder, as I'm really excited to show you these templates. So inside the builder we have a number of templates that you can use: coffee shop, online coaches, personal trainer, realtors, restaurant. So let's just have a look at the coffee shop app first. Well, if you want to change your layout for your apps, that's really easy to do. You just need to click here where it says change your layout, and you can pick all these different menu designs. So you can see here we have a lot of different designs that you can just point and click your way to changing. It really is that simple. You click on the one you like and it changes. Okay, so these are all the ones we have available that will be in your account. Okay, next, if you want to change colors, you just click on colors, and to change it you just click and you make it whatever color you want. So you see here, I'm going to make the menus blue, and you can see here they go blue. If I want to change them back, I can just simply drag and drop to the colors that I want to make them. It really is point and click easy. That is why Zapable was built. Next, you might be wondering, okay, let's have a look at these features. But let me just do one little thing different that you've probably never seen happen before. How would you like to have this app that you're seeing right now on your phone right now? Okay, let's go do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you a QR code. So all you need to do is bring out your smartphone, your mobile phone, turn on the camera as if you're going to go take a photo of the screen, and just hold it up to the screen. and the camera will scan this code and you'll be able to check out this app on your mobile phone. Or you can open up the browser on your phone, whether you use Chrome or Safari, depending on whether you're using Apple or Android, and just go and type in the coffee shop app, and that will also load this app onto your phone. So while you're doing that, let me just show you some of the features. In this app we have track and trace. This is all due to the COVID restrictions that came in, that restaurants and local businesses are required. And you might be wondering, how hard is it to create these forms? Not hard at all. In fact, all you need to do is select what you want. So for this example, we have an image. So you'll see here image, and then over here you're going to see the image. Okay, and then that's just selecting this, and boom, select the image you want, and that's it added. That's how easy it is to do. Next, we have menus, so you can view the menus within the device. We have locations, where for this we have video, images, text, the address, the phone number, the contact details, all of the locations of this business. Not only that, let's just go back again. You'll see here we have loyalty cards, so you can put loyalty cards in your app. Again, you can change the font by pointing and clicking. You can change all the button colors. Everything can be done with a point and click of your mouse. For example, in the membership, you'll see here, spend £25 and get a free meal on us. So you can add your loyalty cards, your rewards, how it's validated, and the various options. Okay, we've got image galleries. We have also a great feature where users of the app can now order via the app. So just to show you how that works, let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to click on coffee, and I want the latte. I'm going to add it to my cart. I'm going to proceed. My details should already be in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it as a takeaway, and then I'm going to put my table number. So let's say I'm at a restaurant. I can order my food from within this app. We'll click on next. I'm going to choose payment method as cash. You can integrate this with Stripe and PayPal as well, which is amazing. And then I'm just going to go and proceed with the order. Thank you, and a confirmation email has been sent. So if I go to my order history, I can see the order history is within the app. Now what's really cool is this order will also be sent to the business. It can be printed via the business's printer. The business can get a notification, and then they'll simply, I'll just do this as a demonstration purpose, are we able to go in, see the order, and then they can just mark it as paid, done, shipped, delivered, scheduled, processing, in discussion. So I'll just mark this as paid. We'll click OK. And let me just update and preview this app, because you'll see how this is all done in real time. And voila, paid. So this integrates with all the different sort of services. Let me just show you something here. There's phone numbers, VATs, there's different stores. So if a business has multiple different stores in different locations, shopping carts, you can choose to hide the price if you want, put taxes in the price. So you can see here, it's a massive, massive feature, and it's just one of many, many features within Zapable, like booking forms, privacy policy, property listings, and podcasts, image galleries, videos, membership protection. So I know we don't want to spend too much time, so let me go and show you another app. Let me show you a real estate app, okay? So we'll go to the real estate template. Again, as I was saying about the fonts, if you want to change your font size, you can do it all here. You can pick the fonts you want, or you can also change the location. So you can see here all these different options. These apps work worldwide in any country within the world, okay? So now let's have a look at this real estate app where we use to add property listings. So let's look at properties available, and you can see here, we'll click on it and people can have a look. They can go through the image gallery as it moves. They can favourite if they want. They can see the address, they can see descriptions, they can see all the amenities, they can message the realtor, they can mark it as favourite. Not only that, they can filter results, so they can have a look for, do they want the rent, sales, property types. So it's amazing, and you might be saying, okay, so how hard is it to add this into the app? Well, I'm going to show you how hard it is. You simply just need to go and create a new listing, put in the info, put in the location, the pricing, the amenities, and done. That's all you need to do. When I said this was point and click easy, I meant it. It really is point and click easy to do. So let me just show you one more app, and this is a fitness app. Now there's hundreds I could show you, but then we're going to be here probably till tomorrow. So I just want to show you this last one, and thanks for your time for watching till this point, okay? And you see here with this fitness one, this fitness instructor has put in a boot camp within his app. So week 1 begin boot camp. So it gives you the workouts, how to watch the video, and this fitness instructor wanted to do 2 things. They wanted to improve views on their YouTube channel, and they wanted to improve sort of their product sales. So let's just have a look. Product range. They can view all the different products, and let's say someone wants to join. Let me just show you an example of how this works. When they click to join, it will load this here sales page within the app. It really is quite incredible, and is responsible for a huge amount of sales for this personal trainer. You can view the other thing like merch. They have integrated the merch with Teespring. So they're selling their hoodies from Teespring within the app. So let's just show you this again. So when they click on view, again, this will load within the application. And they've also added things such as healthy recipes. So view here, you can view the different recipes that people want to make. Just the general things that people within the fitness niche are interested in. And then you have social, which is the YouTube, the Facebook, the Instagram, the TikTok. So a mobile app allows someone to take all their information, all their assets, all the stuff that makes them sales online, and put it into one little device, which will be then directly placed onto someone's phone. So you see all those little apps on your phone. Well, one of them could be your brand, it could be your client's brand, it could be your face, it could be your name, it could be your business, and it could be on that person's phone right now. And the best part is you can contact them with push notifications over here. So there's nothing that you can't do and house within the mobile app. Okay, so let's just have one quick 60-second fire through all the features. We have bookings, privacy policies, properties, podcasts, images, videos, memberships, build out your custom forms, push notifications, subscribe to different topics, commerce, coupon codes, recipes, digital platforms to sell your digital products, loyalty cards, QR coupons, custom pages, links, Shopify integration, Magento, Volusion, WooCommerce, WordPress. You can take appointments, invite a friend, have a social wall within the app. So like for example, the appointment, you can like do classes, you can have bookings for classes, both services, you can take payments for those appointments. There is just so much you can do. It integrates with PayPal, Stripe, Cash. It has a calendar. You can display it on your website. So like I said, we could be here all day in this demo showing you this, but I am really excited to see you within Zapable, and I look forward to walking you through each and every feature.
I just want to say a massive thank you to Zapable. Through Zapable, I've got an incredible new mobile app for my business. It's enabled me to reach an even bigger audience and give users easy access to all my online content. Subscribers and customers can now access my workouts with ease. They can check out all my merchandise and all of my paid programs and courses. I've been able to add recipes, meal ideas, and much, much more. All under one amazing app. This has really helped me boost my online business and revenue. So once again, I just want to say a massive thank you.
Hi guys, quick video testimonial for Andrew and Chris Fox on the new Zapable. I own a hotel here in England, and as you can see we are absolutely packed outside due to the COVID regulations. I'm just going to quickly grab one of our customers because 90% of these people have actually used the new app to book their table. So Stephen, so you use the app to book the table tonight?
Yeah, booked the table through the app tonight. Super easy to use, brilliant. Sent me a text message to let me know it were all okay. Keep using it.
Fantastic. Well done guys, really appreciate it.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Twan V, aka Rich Homie Twan. Got my hands on something really cool. It's called Zapable. And you know what? Everybody knows there's a lot of money in local lead gen businesses and other stuff that involves mobile apps. And the problem is it's really complicated for anybody to just go ahead and create that on their own. It's just too much of a hurdle. Zapable is incredible. You can create really simple apps really fast, and there's just so many features. I just can't even explain it all, but Zapable, I love it. Definitely gotta check it out.
Hey everybody, it's Greg Schneider. I just want to say that Andrew, appreciate you taking me through a little demo of Zapable. Super excited about the product, the ease of use to build my own apps. I have a lot of companies that I can see that will really start pounding these apps out. So thanks, brother, for creating a really killer product, man.
We are going to show you how we use an independent website called howmuchtomakaanapp.com, and this will show you how expensive it can really be if you were making an app without Zapable. So let's get started. Okay, so what type of app are you building? Well, we can build for Apple iOS and Android, and Zapable also does instant apps. Next, do people have to log in? Well, yeah, we can have logins in it if we want. Do people create personal profiles? Yes, we have that option if required inside Zapable. How will people make money from your app? Well, we offer the ability to purchase in-app and upfront costs, so we do both. Do people rate or review things? Yes, we have that option. Does your app need to connect with your website? Yes, again, we have that option. How nice should your app look? Well, with Zapable, we have beautiful custom designs and very easy drag and drop functionality, so we'll go for beautiful. Does it need an app icon? Again, we help supply these. Look at that. That is the price that you could be paying if you went to an independent developer to get an app made, $93,900. So when you show this to a client and they see the value that they're getting when you build them an app with Zapable, it's a no-brainer.
In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Zap Digital feature. So to add this feature to your app, you need to go to the Monetization tab and then click on the plus symbol on Zap Digital to add this to your app. Now I have already added this feature to mine, so I can go back to the My App tab and we can see Zap Digital here in the bottom right hand corner. So I can select that. And in here, we are then able to go into our catalog. And you've got the choice of adding categories if you want to list multiple products that fall under multiple categories, or if you're just listing products, as I've done in this example, you can go straight to the My Product screen here. So we're going to do that on this one. So My Products. You can see I've got a product listed here. So the ID of the product, the name of the product, and then there's a description field and the price of the product. So if I go in to edit that, can see that we've got the name of the product here, we've got the description of the product here, we've got the price of the product that we've listed, we've got the payment method, so depending on where your product is listed. So in this example, I've chosen JV Zoo. Here I've applied my sales page link, so you would just change this for the one that you're using. We've added a picture here as well, which is a mock-up product box. And you can see that that displays on the home page of the actual feature when you list a product. And it also displays in product as well. So you can see at the top here, we have this image. You can apply multiple images to this as well. That will give you the best chance of promoting your product in app using all the graphics that you've had specifically designed for your product. And this acts as a slider. So in the app itself, we have the name of the product, and then here we have the description, and then we actually have the descriptive text for that product. And just underneath then we have the buy button. So this buy button here is linked to the URL that you supply in this section here. So that's it for this tutorial. Everything is in more detail lower down on this page as well, where you can look at each of these elements in more detail, like adding categories and adding products to categories, and then also having a look over the settings tab here inside the Zap Digital feature as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one soon. Bye. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking over adding the Commerce Pro option to our application. So to do that, we need to be signed in, go to Features, and then to the Monetization tab. Then we can add the Commerce Pro feature from here. Hover over it and click on the plus symbol. And that's going to add that feature to our application. Now from here, you can see that first of all, we need to set up a store. So to do that, we'll click on the plus symbol, and then we can add in the store information here and choose the country for the store itself. So for this one, I'm just going to choose the United Kingdom. We don't have any categories at the moment, but first of all, we need to complete the actual store listing. And again, some details about the store can all go in here. Then we can add the store status, whether it's actually published or if it's draft, whether or not we require a date and time of delivery or a date and time of pickup, and so on. We can choose whether or not we are requiring those or allowing the user to choose between whether or not they want to do that based on their order preferences. Selecting the delivery options from here. So whether they're collecting in store, carrying out from the store, whether it's a delivery or shipping option. For this, please note that you do need to have a Google Maps API key installed. There's a tutorial for that as well in your members area. And again, you can use this for table service as well. So if this is for in ordering, in sort of in-store ordering, if it's a cafe or a restaurant, for instance, you can choose the table service option from here. Then you've also got your payment options that you would need to complete. So for this one, I'm just going to carry on here, set a tax rate and click on save. So now that I have a store, you'll see that there are more options available here. So from the stores to our catalog with our categories, products and store categories. We also have a tab for our orders. And we've also got a settings tab here as well with more options. Now we go through each of these elements in more detail in the tutorial lower down on this page. So please check out those for guides and walkthroughs for each of the elements inside the Commerce Pro feature. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the tutorial soon. In this video, we're going to be looking at adding in our social links into our application. So we're logged in to the app that we want to edit. We've gone to the Features tab here on the left, and now we need to go to Integration, and here we can choose the Links option. We'll click the plus symbol to add that to our application, and now we can populate this with our social links. So the first one I'm going to add is going to be our Facebook page. So in the URL section here, I'm going to paste in a Facebook URL. And here I'm going to type in follow us on Facebook. And I'm going to add my custom icon here by selecting the picture option. And navigating on my computer to find the Facebook icon that I want to use. And click OK. And I'm going to open this one in an external app and click on Save. The next one I'm going to add is going to be my Instagram. So I'm going to add a picture and choose Instagram. Click OK. And follow us on Instagram. And as well, and click Save. Let's add in a link. And again, open that in an external app. Save. And finally, for this video, we're going to add in our YouTube channel. So I'm going to grab my YouTube icon, click OK, and subscribe to our channel. It's in the URL and click on save. So now when anybody visits this links section of our application, they can click on any of these, be taken to our social network channels or feeds, and then they can subscribe to those as well, boosting the count that we have and the reach that we have for our social media marketing. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial soon. In this video, we're going to be looking at adding in our social links into our application. So we're logged in to the app that we want to edit. We've gone to the Features tab here on the left, and now we need to go to Integration, and here we can choose the Links option. We'll click the plus symbol to add that to our application, and now we can populate this with our social links. So the first one I'm going to add is going to be our Facebook page. So in the URL section here, I'm going to paste in a Facebook URL, and here I'm going to type in follow us on Facebook, and I'm going to add my custom icon here by selecting the picture option and navigating on my computer to find the Facebook icon that I want to use, and click OK. And I'm going to open this one in an external app and click on Save. The next one I'm going to add is going to be my Instagram. So I'm going to add a picture and choose Instagram. Click OK. And follow us on Instagram. And app as well, and click Save. Let's add in a link. And again, open that in external app. Save. And finally, for this video, we're going to add in our YouTube channel. So I grab my YouTube icon, click OK, and subscribe to our channel. It's in the URL and click on save. So now when anybody visits this links section of our application, they can click on any of these, be taken to our social network channels or feeds, and then they can subscribe to those as well, boosting the count that we have and the reach that we have for our social media marketing. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial soon. In this video, we're going to be looking over the progressive loyalty card feature. So we need to add that by going to your app, and then to the Features tab, over to Commerce, and then choose Progressive Loyalty Card from the options. And from here, we're then able to add a card to our application. So we can add a card by clicking the plus symbol, and this is just going to be called our rewards card. And for this, we're going to give a total of 12 points, and 1 point will be worth 5 currency. Okay, we can choose to only use this card once. So once it's used up entirely, then the card will expire. So we're going to choose that option there. We're able to add in some terms and conditions for the card. So I'm going to add in some dummy text there, and I'm going to click on the save option. So now we have a card available to us. We can see that we have the stamps here on the actual card itself, all 12 of them. And obviously to unlock one of these, we need the customer to spend 5 currency units in order to do that. Okay, so we have obviously 12 cards times 5. So in order to complete that, this person would need to spend 60 currency to complete this, this path. Now we're able to add in rewards. So we can add a reward in here by going to the rewards tab, click the plus symbol, and we can add a reward at this point. So let's say the reward is going to be a free coffee. Number of points needed to redeem this reward. So let's say the person needs to spend, let's make it halfway. So the number of points needed is going to be 6 to get to that point. This will expire within 30 days. And we're just going to put in here of reward. So again, we're just going to use the same terminology here for free coffee. So an inactive reward, I'm going to upload an image here, which is going to be a red X. And the active reward I'm going to add here, which is going to be the star. And OK. So now if I hit save, so we've saved our reward to this actual progressive loyalty card. And if we wanted to, we could add in a custom background for this. And we can also choose the style of reward system we want. So we want to use individual stamps like this, or we can use sort of squared images, or we can actually use a progress bar as well by choosing the final option. If we update and preview, goes back into the feature. Obviously, the person hasn't scored any points for this yet. So we can see that this is at the start of their journey with the loyalty card. We've also got the ability to validate the options in here as well. So if I minimize these two options, we can actually add in employees. So we can put the employee name in this section here. And then we're able to give a QR code, which is for the actual employee. We're also able to add a PIN for this employee as well. So depending on how they validate the rewards, it would need the employer or for the staff member to input their PIN code in to validate the points, or if they download and print off the QR code, they're able to scan that, and then that is associated with that particular staff member for validating the points. And what's really cool about this as well is that in the plugin section, we have the loyalty analytics system, which will actually give you details of how your loyalty cards are being used. So it'll give you a breakdown of your customer data, the loyalty control, so which employee has validated the points and how many points have they applied, and how many cards are in circulation, and how many rewards have been used, and how many rewards have been actually claimed as well based on the points. And you're able to download this information as well in terms of who has actually used their loyalty card in the system. So that's it for the progressive loyalty card feature. There's a lot more in depth in tutorial in the members area. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking over the Places feature inside of your Zapable app builder. So to add this feature, we need to go to our application, onto Features, and then to the Miscellaneous tab, hover over Places and click the plus symbol. Now, in order to use this feature, you will need to have a Google Maps API key. There's a tutorial for that in the members area as well. So once we've added that, we're able to go and add a place to our network of places on the feature. First of all, though, I'm going to add a category. So I'm going to navigate to Categories and go to Add a Category. And this is going to be called something like Landmarks, because this could be a tourist-based application. Now, inside the description box, obviously you can populate this with the text about this particular category. So I'm just going to use some dummy text for this, and then we can add an image for this as well. So you've got the option of adding, like I say, a 5x12, 512 image in this section. So I'm going to click on Save. So this is our landmarks category. Now we can add a place to this as well. So I'm going to click on the plus symbol to add a place. And in this one, I am going to choose to add in Buckingham Palace. I'm going to choose to display the title, and then I could put in here a subtitle, which is just anything that you want to add. So I'm going to put in London, England here and display this option. Then I'm going to grab an image of Buckingham Palace from Google on another screen here. So just save this and add an image here. So I'm going to add in my Buckingham Palace photo. And then I am going to display that in the page by checking that box, adding a thumbnail. Again, I'm going to choose the same image, just going to have different crop lines on this one for the display, and click OK. So by default, there is a pin that is applied, but if you wanted to use a customized pin for this particular listing, like you could use different color ones for different categories if you know what they are. So for instance, the listings that we've got here, this could be a blue pin, and if that's the case, you can add your own pin image here by clicking this and uploading an image from your system. You can choose the actual type of icon, whether it's the pin itself, whether it's the thumbnail of the image that we've added here, an illustration, or Google's default pin. So we're going to just choose the pin option. Here we can add in some tags to do with this. So we're going to put in royalty, comma, we're going to put in palace, London, we're going to put in landmark. You can add in as many of these as you actually want to add. Now, because we have a category as well, I can click to add the landmarks category, just selecting that. If we had multiple in here, we can just select as many of them as we need this item to fall under. So here we are for the details of the address. So in here, I'm just going to pop in the name of Buckingham Palace, and then I'm going to put in the actual address for Buckingham Palace as well. We're also able to add in a longitude and latitude reference here. If you know those, you can search for them on Google if you wanted to use that to give a more accurate representation on the map of where this is. So I'm popping the phone number on here, and I'm also going to put in a website address for this as well. And I'm going to choose to display the website, display the address, and now I can click on save. And that's going to have added Buckingham Palace to the listings for this particular feature. So if I update and preview and go into the feature, you can see we have landmarks. If I went into that, it would show Buckingham Palace. And if I had location services enabled on my device, as you can see at the moment, they're not, because we're doing a tutorial on an actual computer, that feature isn't enabled, but it would tell me the distance that I currently am away from Buckingham Palace at this moment. I can click on Buckingham Palace and get some details about what this actual landmark feature is on the mapping feature itself. So that's a basic introduction to places. There is a much more in-depth tutorial available lower down on this page for each of these settings and options available to you inside this places feature. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video again soon. Bye for now. In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to generate your application for IPA, which is the Apple, or we've got the APK, which is for Android. And we've also got the ability with the new Zapable platform to create what's known as a PWA application as well, a progressive web app. So once you've finished your application, it's really straightforward. For Apple, we need to ensure that we have our account details for our developer account set. So if I just open the profile tab here, we can see at the bottom of the screen we've got the Apple developer account information section. This needs to be populated with your team ID, your team name, and your Apple developer account email address. So once you populate those and hit save, we'll go back to the actual application page, go to publication here on the menu, and let's open up the Coffee Shop Network. And let's open up Android first of all. All you need to do really simply is click the Generate APK button. And once that's done, you'll not only receive an email with a link to the APK file, which you can download and add to your Google Play account. You're also able to download the APK from this section here. The iOS system is different. We need to just click Generate IPA. And if we've got our developer information in place, what this will do is incredibly, it will create the certificates, it will create the profiles and everything that you need, which is always complex with Apple, to package all that together and add that to your Apple developer account. Then all you'd have to do for either of these is to go in and populate the information for your store listing, such as adding your featured images, your description of your app, and making sure all the necessary other bits are compiled inside of Google and in Apple. And that's it. It's really that simple. Just click the Generate IPA or the Generate APK button. And as I said, that will develop the apps for you and allow you to add those to the respective accounts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one soon. Do you own a coffee shop or a cafe? Have you ever thought about having your own incredible mobile app for your business? An app where your customers can access your special offers, discount coupons, and in-app digital rewards cards, encouraging them to keep coming back to your business. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menus and update and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to their phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows customers to submit their details when they arrive. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Does your coffee shop brand have multiple locations? Well, the user can just click in-app and find out more information on the locations of your stores and which one is most convenient for them to visit. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your coffee shop business. Are you a business consultant or a coach? Have you ever considered your own branded mobile app for your services? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, a mobile app gets you closer to your customer, and it's never been more important. You can now stream your coaching via online services like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. With the in-app PDF feature, you can display your content and training files to your clients so they can download and access them at any time. Do you have an important message or opportunity you want your clients to know about? Or why not use the incredible push notifications feature that will be sent directly to their phone, which has been proven to have a much higher deliverability rate than email? Why not add a video and an image gallery to show your training content? You can even charge clients a membership fee to access your password protected content and take payment via Stripe, PayPal, or even bank transfer. Add all your social media feeds and more. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and let's explode your online coaching business. Are you a personal trainer? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your fitness business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere you could record your workouts, upload to the app, and charge people a monthly fee to access your incredible content. Selling access 24/7 even while you sleep. Upload your workouts for private members only, giving your clients their own unique login. And access to your online workouts, your classes, and workout schedule. And with your new app, you can even stream your live workouts via Zoom. Add your own merch store with access to your own fitness accessory, apparel, or supplements. Your own mobile app creates unlimited amounts of potential income for your business. Your app comes fully branded with your custom logo, theme, and style, and is available on all platforms including the Apple and Google App Stores. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and bring your fitness business into the modern digital world. Are you a realtor that wants more business the easy way? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your real estate business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere where you could showcase your property listings within seconds to the app. You can allow your user to favorite the properties they are most interested in, and even schedule an appointment directly in your app. With your app, you can add new listings and properties that have just sold. You can give sneak previews of new listings about to come onto the market. You can also add your own social channels like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Add the health and safety measures you are implementing in today's world so clients can feel safe and confident to go and view a property. A mobile app will help your realtor business not only survive but thrive in 2020 and beyond. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode your realtor business. Do you have your own restaurant? Have you ever thought of your own incredible mobile app for your business? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, if your restaurant provides a takeaway or a delivery service, a mobile app enables you to receive online orders and take payment via Stripe, PayPal or bank transfer. You can also integrate with Just Eat, Grubhub and many other providers. Customers can access your special offers, discount coupons via your app digital rewards card, encouraging them to keep coming back. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menu and update it and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to the user's phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows your customers to submit their details when they arrive if they're dining in. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Your app comes fully loaded and fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your restaurant business.